Welcome to this tutorial on how to trade up-down options on Crypto.com. Trading up-down options is a popular way to speculate on the price movement of cryptocurrencies. First, you need to create an account on Crypto.com and deposit funds into your account. Once your account is funded, navigate to the derivatives section of the platform. In the derivatives section, you will see the option to trade up-down options. Select the cryptocurrency you want to trade and the duration of the trade. The duration can range from 1 minute to 1 hour. Next, you need to choose the amount you want to trade. The amount will depend on the cryptocurrency you are trading and the leverage you are using. Now you need to decide whether the price of the cryptocurrency will go up or down. If you think the price will go up, you should buy a call option. If you think the price will go down, you should buy a put option. After selecting the option, you can place your trade. If your prediction is correct, you will make a profit. However, if your prediction is incorrect, you will lose your investment. It is essential to have a trading strategy and to manage your risk when trading up-down options. This includes setting a budget and not investing more than you can afford to lose. Additionally, you should stay up to date with market news and trends to make informed trading decisions. It is also crucial to use technical analysis to identify patterns in the market and make predictions about future price movements. In conclusion, trading up-down options on Crypto.com can be a lucrative way to speculate on the price movement of cryptocurrencies. However, it is crucial to have a trading strategy and to manage your risk to avoid significant losses. By following these steps and using the right trading strategy, you can make a profit trading up-down options on Crypto.com. Always remember to trade responsibly and to never invest more than you can afford to lose.